What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. January 20th. Big down day yesterday. So that 08, 10, 03, that's a lot of craziness right there. Anyway, we're below that. Below the 200, which is now at 38, 39.79. And this 40-45 level is going to be big. We're still below that. So above 45, and I think that we can get up. They might take SPX to 4,000. That's really where all the open interest lies for today's afternoon expiration, but also the AM options. But again, that's an hour and a half, and then that's during the opening range is when they're going to decide that. So we'll see where that lands. But curiously, we kind of closed at the 3,900 level to pin that AM, although we're up a little this morning. So above 25, I'm slightly bullish. Below this 14, 15 level, I'll be bearish. So if we open up below that, we're going to open up the downside. Your 100-day is down here at 38.80 basically. Your 50 days at 42. So that's that 40, 45. Again, that's going to be a big level I'd watch. Either the bears are going to defend this, or the bulls are going to push it through, and then we'll head up, and maybe see that 39.79, which is the 200, and then we get up into the 39.92, and then the 03, and then 10 basically, and then we're up. So we did this before. You had a consolidation day, and then up. So then we dropped, had a consolidation day, and then, do we go up, or do we drop? I would assume today we're going to move one way or the other, and I have no idea which one it is now. So 38.80 downside, 38.91 is going to be a level as well. Your yesterday's low is basically 3,900, 39.01. These levels could be significant. What I'm really watching is that 38.33. So we'll see if that comes in. That's going to be the stopper if we drop. Would be my guess. It would stop there, or they look at that 38.80 level, which is the 100. So we'll see. Again, the 02, 3900, 01 needs to go, and the 91, 92 needs to go as well. You could see a mid-range at 71. So maybe that 71, 79 area will hold. I don't know. This is going to be an interesting day. Euro is basically unchanged. Again, we're flagging here. Now, I don't know if we're going to continue to go up or continue to go down. Cycles for the FX are going to start today into next week. So this is going to be volatile. I just don't know which way it's going to be volatile. Double gap, east side of LA, they call that the doble. 28 and 22. So this has been missed twice. So that's going to be pretty important for gap. We chewed into it a little bit yesterday on the upside, but we didn't get all the way through. So we'll have to see if that fills today. That could be also a target, which is 39.29 SPX, and it begins at 22, basically 23. So not a huge one, but something to look at. Still have the trend line. The 200-day on the SPX is 71, and then your 50 is at 25. So that's something I'd watch as well. And then we have a couple little cash gaps, but I wouldn't worry about those. So it's really going to be what this guy goes and this guy goes that dictates us. We're up 12. Dow's up 20, was lower this morning. What else? Not much. You got Harker speaks at 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Existing home sales. These haven't really moved the market much unless we get something drastic. I don't see it. And then 1 p.m. Waller speaks. So we do have OPEX today, and then leaps. So that means that the leaps are the year out. Be like buying options for January of 24 right now. So those are all expiring. So that could be a factor. It might not be a factor. I don't know. I would stay frosty. I do believe today there's a double directional change. So that means either we move higher or lower in a substantial way. We get a move one way or the other. So I would be prepared for a move. I'd be shocked if they kept it range bound. And that's probably what explains the tight range this morning or overnight. I mean, that's really tiny. Rarely do we get that small. And yesterday was actually fairly small and a good consolidation day. So again, is that consolidating to go up, consolidated to go down? I don't know. Anyway, stay safe. It's Friday. If you don't see it, don't trade it. Cash is a position. And I'll be in the room all day.